Goa's Chief Information Commissioner, Mr. Vilas Satarkar, has today allowed the appeal that I had filed against the order of the Goa Legislative Secretariat declining to furnish me information that I sought under RTI. While allowing my appeal today, the State Chief Information Commissioner has directed the PIO of the Legislative Secretariat, Mr. Mohan Gaonkar, to furnish the information to me within 15 days and free of cost. I had filed this appeal because the Goa Legislative Secretary had declined to furnish me the information that I sought. All that I had sought is complete details of the training session for new MLAs held last year at Taj Vivanta. I'd asked for the entire file notings and also the entire expenditure incurred on that two-day training. While declining to the information to me, the PIO of the Legislative Secretariat had said that furnishing the information to me would be breach of the House and disrespect to the Speaker. So I had also pointed out to them in my appeal that earlier information sought about the earlier training held for MLAs in 2012 at Hotel Mandovi was all furnished to me. I had in my appeal pointed out that this declining the information and this veil of secrecy at the Goa Legislative Secretariat is unacceptable and not in accordance with law. So I am really very happy that at least the State Information Commission has intervened and that veil of secrecy which is sought to be imposed at the Goa Legislative Secretariat cannot continue anymore.
So this victory of yours, you want to say?
No, it's not my victory. It has taken me a lot of effort to pursue this appeal, but it is a victory for the Right to Information Act, because the government had brought this act to ensure transparency and accountability in public life. The intent of the RTI Act was to furnish information and not to decline it. What the Goa Legislative Secretariat has been doing over the last 1 year, I am told by many others who have sought information on the RTI, they are declining information. I am also told that some of the staff from the Goa Legislative Assembly who have sought information have been issued memos and warning them of disciplinary action. This is unacceptable. The Right of Information Act is a tool that every citizen can use to ensure accountability and transparency in public life.